This is Pooja. Welcome to Food Bar. So yesterday we tried paneer fried Maggi, which was really awesome, and then along with some anda bhurji. This is a must try, guys. And then we had kachori. This was okay in taste. And again, then we had bread omelette. This is again good to go for. And then some tandoori chai. Guys, this is a must try. Please like and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much for watching.